It's not a salvation issue. How often have you heard that phrase? But have you ever seen Jesus Christ, Yeshua, say those words? When he spoke, he didn't lower the standard. He said the following: "It will not be that just everyone who says to me, 'Master, Master,' will enter into the kingdom of heaven, but the ones who do the will of my Father in heaven." So what is this idea that some things suddenly don't matter? That obedience is optional? Sometimes it's not a salvation issue becomes a convenient escape, a way to ignore what Scripture actually says when it challenges our traditions or our comfort. But the question isn't, is this a salvation issue? The real question is this what the Father asked of us? Because if we truly follow the Messiah, obedience isn't optional. It's the evidence. May Yahweh bless you.